All right, now, kickstart it.
I can't lift up my foot.
Well, you have to stand up and do it.
I do?
Yeah, stand up and do it. There you go. Now stabilize it with one foot, lean slightly to the side. All right. Go ahead, you can do it. Kickstart it. You got this.
How am I gonna ride it when I can't even?
You can. It'll just take practice and coordination. Uh-oh, I got you. I got you. Here, move this leg in a little further. All right. There you go. Now get on one leg and get up here and kickstart that sucker.
Oh, I'm shaking.
Here, you go. Give it a good kick. Go for it. Harder.
Hard.
Harder. You got this.
Are you sure I have to stand up when I do it?
It's gonna help. Trust me. Look at that fool, no helmet. Kick it.
Kick it real hard.
Kick it. Kick it. You gotta shove your foot down. No. Like you're stepping on your brother's face.
Try it.
Real hard. Do it.
I'm gonna try it. So see if I can do this. It's painful watching. I won't fail.
Come on, you got it.
Ah!
You got this.
Yeah, I'm gonna sit here and eat my popcorn while Animal fails.
You got this. Come on. There you go. Almost. Almost. You just gotta work on your balance a little bit. Oh, there you go. There you go. Your first wreck already.
That was not a wreck.
Yes, it counts.
I didn't even.
That
turn it
counts.
on.
That counts. That counts. That was your first wreck. You got this. All right, give it a good kick.
I'm already getting tired. Can you just hurry? Still, it's your hand, for goodness sake.
There you go. There you go. You almost had it.
That's not a kick.
See, that was close.
I'm going to my face.
You got this. You got to shove it down with your foot. You don't take your foot off of it. You use the power of your leg muscle to drive the Kickstarter downwards.
Like that.
Here.
Can you catch my breath?
Yeah, I'm going to hold it up for you while you do it.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, go for it. Go for it. No. Don't stomp your foot down on it. All right?
What?
Is that dog shit?
What?
Yeah, dog. Here.
What?
All right, put your foot up on it. Put your foot up on it. Now drive it down.
Okay.
Back up harder. Harder. Like that. There you go.
Did I do it?
No, not yet.
How many times do I have to do that?
Just kick it hard. Yes.
Okay, let me do it by
You
myself.
gotta put all your weight onto it.
Daddy, hold it!
I got you.
Yeah. It's so getting annoying.
There you go. You gotta do that, but harder.
That sounds super. What was?
Go ahead.
What was that? Something just flew by my face. What?
Go for it. Okay, I'm gonna start it for you.
Yes.
Here, watch out.
Okay, how do I get off this? I want to start again. That's how you play harder.
There you go. Now hop on it. It's not in gear yet.
Good.
Hop on it. All right. Now,
First gear.
first gear is one down. There you go. It's in gear now. It's ready to go. Now, put one of your feet.
I do.
You twist the throttle like that. That's how you do it. Now sit up further. Sit up a little bit further, okay?
This?
So you have more control over it. Yeah. Now, keep that foot up there and that foot to stabilize yourself. All right. Now, leave that foot down. Hey, Michael, I need you to hold this. You're going to have to videotape. Face it away from you. There we go. There we go. All right.
Careful. Get your hand off
Now, what I
that.
want you to do is put this foot up.
Stand back here.
Not up.
How beautiful I am.
Put your foot back there on the peg. All right. And that foot down.
Don't kill Daddy.
This is the front brake. That's
It's kind of hard with its gloves.
You don't necessarily have to, but it does help.
Yeah, you just hurry up.
Focus on the front brake for now. And now this is the throttle. You can give it a little bit of throttle. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Just get on it and take
It's
off.
like a bike. When you go, you're gonna balance.
Yeah. When you start going, you just pick up that other foot and start balancing. All right. Just come to me. There you go.
stay back.
I'm not staying back.
Might want to go.
A little bit of throttle. All right.
Did I get that? Did you get that, Dave? I don't know. I was too busy watching. I don't know. I think we. You to move out of the way.
No.
I don't know how to stop that thing.
All right, you want to give it only a little bit of gas, darling. I'm on a suicide mission.
Can I try this?
No, hold on.
This is a suicide mission. How did Animal do a wheelie though? That was pretty awesome. How the
See this? A little bit of gas.
Animal did a wheelie. Did you see that? He ran over Daddy. I can't wait to show Mommy this when she figures this out.
Watch.
Daddy, we should show Mommy this and she'll laugh her head off. You got ran over. You got ran over, Daddy. Go.
You pull the left pedal. See, or you pull this brake lever. See this?
Okay, if I can't stop it, if I can't pull that, I'll just be going in circles, okay?
You'll be able to.
No. Go, Daddy.
Look, this is the back brake,
Show us how to do it.
and this is the front brake. And don't give it so much gas.
Well, what's supposed to do?
Watch.
Look down, try to find the back, like, crash into its feet.
Here, test the throttle. Give it a little bit of gas. All right, you gave it way too much gas. Go for it.
Get ready to blast off.
Don't worry, I got you. Just a little bit. See? Just a little bit.
Can I try this?
Be very gentle with the throttle.
Daddy, can I try this? No.
All right, I'm back on.
Okay, after this, when can I get to try this?
Here, you're the cameraman for right now.
Okay. What do Annabelle do?
Okay.
Put
Alright,
glasses on a little bit.
Don't worry about it.
Get out of the way this time. Daddy, get out of the way this time. Me and you.
I know. I caught you. Don't worry.
Daddy. My butt off the bike this time.
Here.
Daddy, just get out of the way like she says. You're gonna die. You got ran over by the wiener.
Stop it. Hold on. Don't go. All right. I just want you to give. I'm gonna hold you up. Just give it a tiny bit of gas. All right. Tiny bit of gas. A little bit. There you go. Let it go. Give it a little more gas. A little bit of gas.
Just keep your hand on the handle.
A little more gas. To the throttle. That's the use of the throttle. All right. Gas. All right. That's the front brake. And one of the best ways to stop, you want to stop giving it gas. All right. A little bit of throttle.
I'm staying back. Sorry, I don't itch my eye. Just gonna hide behind this rock. I need to hide behind something better. Yeah, actually, this rock is perfect. Can you guys just go? Dad, it's been 8 minutes! Daddy! Just hurt. Daddy, can I ride yet? I'm sick of being your little slave as a
I'm
cameraman.
gonna have to work with you the same way.
Give me this.
Never done this before. Okay, we need to find. There's a better place to start you guys out than this.